Alright guys, so this thing got hit. Oops. Oh my goodness. Still there, hanging. But I believe we are going to replace this one. I got a part right there. Let's do it. Okay. First, let's go ahead and verify the parts. Try to make sure that this is the right part. Sometimes parts will get confused and order the wrong one. So it's a great practice to check it first before you start tearing apart. Right? Okay. Let's see here. I need a razor blade. Oh, really? There you go. Okay. It does look right. Cool. Hopefully, this thing's not gonna fall apart. Just simply pry this out. There is two 10mm or screw here. All right. Disconnect the connector. Sweet, it's out. Then we're gonna put this in. Plug this one first. Then line this 3 and that one too. There we go. Then screw this in. Put this back. All right. Easy peasy. Now let's go ahead and try it. Where is the turn signal? Okay, this turn signal is in the bottom and it's not here. This one is just a brake. Let's try the brake. We're gonna turn this off. That's the brake. Okay, it's working. It's working. Okay, I think we're done here, guys, but I gotta note that I didn't work on this. I think the customer just ordered this one, show up today and have it put it in, but the turn signal is down here. So yep, All right. That's all for today, guys. Have a great day. Bye.